We call this one Go with the Flow, and you will find out in a second why we call it that way, okay guys? After your crossbody lead, be sure that your left hand is down and that you offer your right hand up for an outside crossbody turn. Take a look. 1, 2, outside turn, 5, 6, and 7. That's a normal outside turn. Guys, stay here for a second. Keep your right hand on shoulder height. And now, very slowly, start turning yourself to your left, all the way as far as you can. Then start bringing up your left hand and place it behind her elbow, like this. And now, there she turns, okay? Now, if you know this, how do you get there in time for her turn? Because take a look. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. What actually happens, guys, is this. 1, 2, 3. That is what happens. But of course, it is much nicer if you turn yourself just before she can step on 1. So how do you do that? 1, 2, 3, guys. We are preparing for our turn. Here she goes, step by step. 5. There is 6. And now look what happens, guys, on 7. 7, I start turning in. Now, what most people forget is there is also a count 8. 8. And that is the moment that you need to use. So you cannot stop on 7 because you will never get here. It's 7, 8. And now, don't place it here because her arm might start bending. Then nothing happens. Place it behind the elbow. And now look, here she goes. 1, 2, 3. You see? And then you catch. And then we turn her back. Okay, let's do it from this angle as well. Outside turn. 1, 2, 3. Guys, what I'm going to do, I asked Vanessa to stay here for a second. What I'm going to do is this. 5, we're going to step back. 6 and 7. Turn as far as you can. 8. And there will be your turn on 1, 2, 3. So, Vanessa is totally ready. We're going to turn 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now she turns 1, 2, 3. And then we can turn her back in 5, 6, 7. Okay? So, slowly from this angle. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And turn 5, 6, and 7. Now, after this outside turn of 5, 6, 7, we can both step forward. So what are we going to do? Vanessa has a nice tension on her arm, so I'm going to step together with her forward. Take a look. 1, I'm going to push her back on 2, and on 3 we open. 2, and on 3, guys, I shift my same hand, that's my right hand, to her left wrist. And now I turn her out. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's do that again. So after the turn on 1, 2, 3, we are going to turn out on 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, let's turn outside. 5, 6, 7. We both step forward. 1, I'm going to push her back. 2, opening on the third count. Make her turn. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Let's do it from this angle as well. We just turned her on 1, 2, 3. And she's going to turn out on 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And 5, 6. We both go forward. 1, I push her back. 2, I stay here on 3. Do you see? I place my hand top down on her wrist. And now I can turn her out. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, cross. 5, 6, and 7. Okay, let's do it 2 more times slowly. 1, 2, and cross. 5, outside turn, keep going. 1, 2, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Turn the lady. 5, 6, we both go forward. 1, 2, shift the hand. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, from this angle as well. We start straight from the outside turn. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Forward and back. And 5, 6, 7. And 1. And 5, 6, 7. Now I have my doubts if that was the same angle. So let's do it one more time from this side. And 1, 2, 3. Keep turning. 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Turn around. 5, 6, forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3.